Hello. For this project, we will be discussing Enercon's response to the Fukushima nuclear disaster. After the Fukushima nuclear disaster, a customer of ours contacted us with an urgent request to undertake a significant challenge. On top of the disaster of the tsunami, Japan was now experiencing power shortages. We were requested to produce 32 power modules in 8 weeks. Our team got busy and we leveraged all 3 of our US-based manufacturing locations and our supply base. I remember working with folks and speaking with folks at remote facilities at all hours of the day and night. The commitment from all members of the Enercon team to make this project a success was unparalleled in my experience. We did complete the last of the 32 modules in 7.5 weeks from receipt of order. The project really demonstrated why we consider the Enercon team one of the best in the industry. We followed the modules over to Japan to assist with commissioning of the site. The level of coordination by the customer was impressive, and we were with them every step. I can remember standing inside a module and feeling the aftershocks of the earthquake still occurring. We wore lanyards to latch into something in case of another tsunami. It was truly an interesting experience which I'll never forget. Overall, the level of teamwork exhibited by everyone on the Enercon team on that project remains one of my fondest memories over the last 20 years. So join me in our 45th anniversary celebration and thanking all the team members that made that project a reality. Thank you.